Hi everyone here. Today I'm going to be talking about my experience as a YouTuber. To everyone here, I'm going to be sharing about my experience and I'm going to tell you some top secret and top mistakes that you should never engage in or that you should never do as a beginner or as a YouTuber who is growing or who has grown. Some people I've realized that some YouTubers make a lot of mistake in this platform. Like me myself, I am not exceptional, okay? Everybody make mistake. We all know mistake is something that we make. Like it's not you won't even know when you're making mistake until you've made that mistake. So I'm going to be pointing out my own experience and the mistake I have also made in this platform that almost like I wasn't expecting what I got. I didn't expect what I got, but then I should I say eager, but let's dive into the video because there's a lot to talk about, there's a lot to share. So guys, welcome to the channel. This is Empress Ife in the building. So how is everyone doing? So today I am going to be talking about mistakes that you should not do. I know I've made a video on that before. Mistake that you should not do. You can click on the link here or it will pop up here, then you click it. But then I want to talk about mistake I have made that I wish somebody told me, or I wish I've like I, I wish I've watched a lot of YouTube educational video on that, like how to grow on YouTube. Like I wish somebody told me, okay, but then I'm here to share it with you. And the first mistake that I made, or that I would not want you to make, is I kind of engage in a lot of things, okay, a lot of niches, okay. It got YouTube algorithm confused because you need to participate or you need to choose a lot, like, sorry, you need to choose one niche, okay, one niche that you can engage in. Because me starting my channel, I was uploading different things, okay. I was uploading a lot of things, even content that are not mine. I was uploading it, and it was not healthy for my channel at the time. So guys, I would want you guys to choose one clear niche, like one particular niche that you want to be talking about on your channel. If it's to be taking maybe celebrities, news about celebrities, just put it together, edit it in your own words, just put out your voice in the video and then just edit it and then upload it. That's automatically turns into your content, okay. But it belongs to, no, it's celebrities, their faces, okay. So you do it your own way, your own style, and then upload it, and then it becomes your video. So if that is the niche that you want to take, then bravo. But if you also want to take out, in the next video that I'll be posting on Saturday, I'll be talking about like different niches that you can choose from that will help your channel. Like I'll be suggesting a lot of niches, okay, that the one that people are really using to grow on this channel, on this platform. Okay, I'll be suggesting a lot of niches in the next video that I'll be uploading on Friday or Saturday. So guys, stay tuned and then hit the notification bell so that when I post that video, you will get notified by YouTube. Okay, you get the notification, click and then watch. So moving on, you choose that particular niche. When you choose one particular niche, just just create your content according to that niche, okay. Create your content according to that niche and keep it up, like be persistent with it, because you don't know the kind of content that you create regarding that your niche that will blow you up, or that YouTube will suggest to so many people, and then before you know, you get a lot of views. You wouldn't know. So I would say consistency is also one thing that everyone here should know. You have to be consistent. I know I've also talked about this consistency before. So if you've also not watched it, go to my channel and then watch the video. Okay. So guys, another thing is the consistency that I was talking about. Be consistent and then post the niche that you are interested in, and then just keep consistent, just keep posting consistently, and then daily short regarding that particular niche, just be posting. And then another thing that I will be talking about, do not use others content. Even though if you have permission from the owners themselves, do not do not use other people content. Do not post it, because when you post other content, like other people content, that is what your audience will be more particular about. They will not be particular about your own niche, like the video that you are creating. They wouldn't like, that is not what they want, because you are taking other people content and then posting it, and those people already have those content creators that you've taken their content and then you've posted it in your own channel. Those people have their audience, and then when you post their videos, their audience will automatically come to your channel and watch their video, and that is what they would want to continue watching. And if you deviate from that by posting your own content that you started your channel with, you will not get views. Like they are not interested in that. What they are interested in is you taking other people content and posting it in your channel, and YouTube frowns against that. The YouTube algorithm frowns against that, because before you know, when you post other people content, put it in your channel, before you know, you get the views, you get the subscribers, you get a lot of audience, you get a lot of engagement, and then you will think that you are thriving. You think you are thriving in the platform, you are growing, but that is false. That is false growth. That is false growth. So stop uploading others' content and focus on that niche and remain consistent on that particular niche that you are focusing on, or that you want, or that you love to create content with. So forget about reposting others' content because you want views. Stop it. It is not healthy for your channel. It will kill your channel before you know it. Trust me. It will kill your channel before you know it, because it will shatter you. It will shatter you. Like, it will give you a surprise. A surprise. Like, I thought I was growing. You'll be like, I thought I was growing, posting others' content in your channel. You'll be like, I thought I was growing. What happened? What happened? My niche, like, it's kind of, you are kind of deceiving. You want to deceive YouTube, but no, you can't deceive YouTube. If you hit the requirement and it's time for you to get monetized, before you get monetized, your channel will be reviewed. Like, it will be checked thoroughly to see if there is any deceit in your channel, in your page. Like, they want to clarify, they want to verify for you to be able to be part of the YouTube Partner Program. So guys, do not post content that is not yours. It is wrong, it is deceitful, and to kill your channel before you know it. And if you are not a determined person and you don't have the zeal and passion to grow here, you will just quit. You just quit. And one thing that I know that I want to tell you, the one thing that I also want to tell you guys is, do not quit no matter what. No matter what, let the zeal, let the determination and the zeal be there. Let the zeal be there, because the more determined you are, the more like passionate you are to create content and then post like every day, even short. Even if you don't have long videos, at least you can be posting short. You know, that's what determination can do. That is what passion can do. So do not give up, no matter how the view, if there's no views at all, do not get discouraged, because one day your hard work is going to pay off and you will smile. You will smile. And another thing that I want to talk about again is using ChatGPT. A lot of people that I know, even the one that I do not know, they use ChatGPT to search for their scripts, to check for their like the scripts regarding content that they want to create. Do not do that, because even the ChatGPT, they take ideas from other people's channel. They take idea from their channel and then give it to you to recreate. Like it's more like you are still creating others content. You are still creating others content, because the one ChatGPT is giving to you or has given to you, it's what they are taking from another person's video or content and giving it to you to redo, not even in a stylish or a different way, but the same ditto to ditto, like the same thing, like kind of copy and paste. And that is not good. It is not healthy. It is not healthy. Everyone here wants their channel to grow, like you want your channel to blow up. Stay away from these things that I have mentioned and just do exactly all that I have mentioned here. Okay, just be consistent, make like create your content based on a particular niche, and do not copy and paste. Do not copy other people's content and put it in your channel. And you also do not take script or to get script or get your script regarding your content from ChatGPT. Okay, because it keep repeating the same script. It keep repeating the same script. So don't take any script. Don't create your content based on the script ChatGPT gives to you. Just do your thing. Just write your own scripts from your head, from your brain, okay? Before you know, you get better at it. Determined. Be determined, because determination is the key. Is the key. Just be determined. Don't give up. Don't give up. Keep hoping. Keep posting. Be consistent, because you will grow before you know it. Do this and you will, like, your channel will grow. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be doing all that I have said. Let me just know in the comment section if you are going to be doing all that I have just said and apply all that I have said. If you will do it, leave your comments in the comment section. And also like, subscribe, and share, so that this video can get to more people, more YouTubers that are growing, like beginners. Just share this video, okay, so that people will avoid some certain and expensive mistake. So see you guys in our next YouTube growth educational video. Bye.